in the hood cause they think I'm the one who been bearing them blocks and shit. I'm just focused on music, they say my last tape was a classic, but I got some hotter shit. I be rocking the show, or if I'm not up in the studio, I'm fucking his cash off. Don't you know Polo G skinny tall with the dreads, till a nigga be rapping his ass off. Yeah, I heard he got surgery, still wanna count from the back just to see if her ass off. Go like Harwood, watch me blast off. Tried to throw us some bullets, but we made them fumble like, no, you ain't getting that pass off. Been a block now, I'm taking my mask off. Hit the gas like we race, speed off in them foreigns and leave tire marks on the asphalt. It's gonna be a RP once your ass talk. He like fun, we knocking his cap off. Another day, a new chain or a Mac ball. All this ice got me freezing like Jack Frost.